Today's press conference has been conducted in connection with the announcement of the working results of Andhra Bank for the financial year ending March 2012. The bank has recorded a growth of 32.8% in the total income and 6.1% in the net profit and 16.7% in the net interest income. The total business of the bank has crossed 1,90,535 crores from the level of 1,64,310 crores compared to March 2011, thereby registering a growth of 16% in the total business. With regard to the deposits have grown up from a level of 92,156 crores to a level of 1,05,851 crores, thereby registering a growth rate of 14.9%. As far as advances is concerned, the advances of the bank has grown up to 84,685 crores from the level of 72,157 crores, registering a growth of 17.4% growth. The share of CASA in the overall deposits is 26.4%. With regard to income, the total income of the bank for the financial year 2011-12 is 12,199 crores. Similarly, the advances to MSME segment, which is an important segment, has grown by a percentage of 18.3% and stood at 13,132 crores. The retail credit stood at 11,031 crores. The growth in advances has been distributed fairly among all the segments of the society. Similarly, as far as the financial inclusion plan is concerned, the bank has been allotted 1,149 villages across the country for appointment of BCs and do the transaction through the Smart Corridor project. The bank has completed covering all the villages through our BC agents in all the 1,149 villages, and we have been allotted around 2,660 villages separately for the EBT payment, that is Social Security pension and NREGA payment. In those villages also we have put in place our BCs and made payments to the extent of 436 crores in those villages. Some of the new initiatives taken by us during the last financial year is launching of an Abhaya First Wealth Pack, which is a combination of 4 products, that is savings bank, recurring deposit, unit linked equity option plan, and also coverage of insurance. The scheme is available in 3 denominations of 25,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees and 1 lakh. We also introduced an account portability facility, that is the customers of Andhra Bank who want to transfer their account from one branch to other branch due to their employment transfer or some other reason, they can retain the same account number at the other branches also. This is a feature which has been made available to our customers very recently. The customers can use this facility so that they can retain the same account number any number of times they get transfer and move to different places. Similarly, we have also launched one gift card facility, wherein gift cards in flexi denomination starting from 250 to 550,000 rupees, the customers can have the gift card. These gift cards are having the security features like PIN enablement at the POS level and also locking of the card during the time when they don't use the card at all. And also we have launched one international travel card which can be obtained the US denomination of $250, $200, and thereby they can top up it with $100 subsequently also. The bank has also introduced certain schemes, interbank mobile payment system, online payment of taxes, and also online request for opening of FDR, online request for issue of checkbooks. All these technology products also we have introduced just concluded financial year. And one more important thing is our performance has been well recognized by the editorial board roll of honor was given to us among the mid-sized public sector bank category by CNBC TV8 Best Bank and Financial Institution Award presented by MCX for the financial year 2011 and 12.